So today we are going to prepare aloo paratha. It's Angari aloo paratha. Let's see what we need for this. 6 to 7 boiled potatoes, coriander leaves, mint leaves neatly washed. Here I have taken some poha. This is the poha, 2 tablespoons. Just take and grind it here like this. Then some masalas like salt, turmeric powder, dhaniya powder, red chili powder, jeera powder and small mustard seeds. And the dough for the paratha. We need soft dough like this. As you can see, prepare with wheat flour, or you can take some maida with wheat flour and prepare a soft dough like this. Now let's mix the potatoes. I have taken over here. Grate those potatoes. Taken those mint leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves. Then I am going to add those masalas. Like here, this masala I am going to add. Here I am going to add this poha powder to it. Just mix it well with your hands or with a spoon. In one pan, we will not use so much oil, and you can see here the koilas are here, some coals that we are going to give flavor to it. Only this much of ghee is sufficient because it's a healthy paratha we are going to prepare with less oil. Now just add this jeera and this mustard seeds to it. You can add the curry leaves if you want. Let it crackle. It's ready. The coal is also ready. Let's do the next step. Just add this to the potato that we have earlier prepared. In it like this. Be ready with a lid so that you can put it immediately after the smoke comes. See, here it is ready, and leave it. As you can see, the smoke come out and it's give a good flavor to the potatoes. Let's start doing the parathas. Here I am taking a small ball of dough, going to roll it with the help of sukha atta, dry flour, just press it in middle and hold this in hand and just do like this. Basically, you are going to prepare a katori like shape to the atta. You have to give a katori shape to this atta like this. The middle portion will be like thick, and this portion you are going to make thin as much as you can. As you can see, my katori is ready. I'm going to add potato in it. See, and try to cover it. Just press a little inside and try to cover it properly. Close it. Give it a round shape and roll it with your hands. Take a dry floor. Try to roll it with the help of rolling pin, slowly and steadily. So as you can see over here, see, I have prepared this much of thin. And see this much of thin you have to prepare. Now I am going to put it in tawa. I am going to use little oil to it. Just see. Let from one side, then we will turn. Let bake it for both the sides so that it can bake properly. One side, then we will turn. You can see the color is changed over here. Now we are going to bake the another side with the help of spatula. You have to just press the corners little bit in between. Low flame. Now you can see the bubbles over here. Now it's time to turn again. So let's turn it. Just see, it's ready almost. Now I'm going to add some oil. This much oil is sufficient. Just give it a little press from both the sides. Turn it.
राइस का मैंने मैं पूरा आटे नहीं खाया।
Now I'm going to serve it. Now you can see it is ready. So let's serve it. Here it is ready, you can see. You can serve it with green chutneys or achar.